Catch this! Fluffy pancakes, quick and easy. First, grab a bowl. In it, whisk together a cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of baking powder. Now add 1 beaten egg, a cup of milk, and a splash of vanilla extract. Mix it all up until it's smooth. Heat up your griddle or frying pan and brush it with a bit of butter. Pour in the batter, about a 1/4 cup for each pancake. Wait for the bubbles, then flip it. Golden brown on both sides and you're in business. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep at it and you'll be flipping pancakes like a pro in no time. Now go on and enjoy your fluffy pancakes. Until next time, stay hungry.